Hey everybody, welcome to week 4. This week we are continuing our exploration of story makers on language, and we also have a writing workshop to come this week. So for your preparation this week, I've got a couple of things for you to read. One is in preparation for the writing workshops. It's called Responding, Really Responding to Other Students' Writing. And he offers, in this, Straub offers some really great pointers uh, of ways that you can comment on other students' writing and ways that move the peer review process from just another exercise to something that's really useful. Um, it's really helpful to have these writing workshops because it gives you a real live audience for your writing. So you're getting real feedback from another real person about how the things that you've stated are being received. And that's one thing that Straub points out in this is that you need to own your position as a reader and respond as such. He talks about things of what to address in your comments, where to put comments. Now, some of this is more geared toward if you're responding to a paper essay, but or one that's on paper, you're writing on it, etc. But some of the principles they will apply in the digital environment as well. He talks about how much to comment, be sure, praise and criticize, equal parts praise and criticism, presenting your comments in ways that can bolster and support your peers and you're not tearing them down. So I want you to read through that and take notes on it, annotate it, because these will be really great pointers. It will give you really great pointers, ways that you can approach this writing workshop to make it really super effective. Another thing I want to have you read is an essay, really a speech, the transcript of a speech by Leslie Marmon Silko. It's called Language and Literature from a Pueblo Indian Perspective. And that will be the basis for this week's one discussion board. So that is what it is. I'm asking you to do for the prepare this to prepare for this week's activities. To participate, again, there's the close reading essay writing workshop. I'll ask you to post your essay draft. Now it just has to be a draft, so don't stress if you don't have it. It's not completely finished. Just give us what you have, and go ahead and paste that text right in the submission window. And at the beginning of your essay, I want you to respond to these two questions: what do you like about the paper? What do you feel like you've done well? And what second question: what challenges are you having with the essay? What would you like to improve? And then at step 2, asks you to give peer feedback on at least 2 essays. I want you to scroll through, find peers who have not yet had responses, and then offer 2 comments in response to these prompts here, 1, 2, and 3. So that's the writing workshop for the week. And also here is the discussion board. And then you have your reflection, and the close reading essay again is due by Sunday. So if you have questions about any of that, please do feel free to let me know. My inbox is always open.